Hello everyone. We will discuss about real-time operating system in the embedded system. As we know, operating system is an interface between computer user and computer hardware. Also, operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripherals device such as disk drive and printer. So whenever we hear the word operating system, the first one that comes in our mind are Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS for the computer and Android. Also iOS for the mobile apps. The real-time operating system is a special type of operating system specially designed for an embedded system. Now next is the difference between general purpose operating system and the real-time operating system. General purpose operating system cannot perform real-time tasks, whereas real-time operating system is suitable for real-time applications. There is deadline associated with the real-time kernel, but general purpose operating system does not follow timely mechanism. We can say that the basic difference of using general purpose operating system and real-time operating system lies in the nature of system, that whether the system is time critical or not. The normal operation that we can do in the computer are not time critical, or nothing is going to happen if it takes few more seconds to open a file. But in applications like missiles and timing is very critical. Now next is what is real time. So as we know, real time operating system is an operating system intended to serve real time applications that process data as it comes in, typically without buffer delay. Processing time requirements are measured in tens of seconds or shorter increments of time. We can say that the ability of the operating system to provide required level of service in the bounded response time, then it is called as a real-time operating system. For example, airbags has to open within a fixed time immediately after the crashing in order to protect from any injury. As we have discussed about real-time operating system, that real-time operating system responds to the inputs immediately. Also, the task is completed within a specified time delay. In real life situation like controlling traffic signal or nuclear reactor or an aircraft, the operating system has to respond quickly. There are two types of real-time operating system: hard real-time operating system and soft real-time operating system. We will see this one by one. Now first we will see hard real-time operating system. Hard real-time operating system is purely deterministic and time constraint system. For example, users expected the output for the given input in 10 seconds, then the system should process the input data and gives the output exactly by 10 seconds. Here in the above example, 10 seconds is the deadline. We can say that 10 seconds we can provide it as a deadline to complete the process for the given data. Hard real system should complete the process and give the output by 10 seconds. It should not give the output by 11 seconds or by 9 seconds. Exactly, it gives the output by 10 seconds. Also, we can say that hard real-time system meeting the deadline is very important. If the deadline is not met, the system performance will fail. Also, we can say that the examples of hard real-time operating system are air traffic control, vehicle subsystems control, nuclear power plant control. Now next is the soft real-time operating system. In soft real-time operating system, the meeting of deadline is not compulsory for every time. Is not compulsory for every task. For every time, but the process for every task should get processed. But process should and give the result. Get proceed even and give the soft real-time system. Even cannot miss the deadline soft for every task system cannot miss the deadline according for to every task or the process. It should meet the deadline to the priority. It can miss the it should deadline. Meet the deadline if the system is missing the deadline for every time. If the performance of the system deadline for every time, the performance of the system be used by the user. So best cannot be used by the real time. The best example is the personal computer, real-time audio and video system, personal computer. Also, we can say that another examples are multimedia, player, another examples we can say that telecom, that is the cellular network switching, telecom network websites, website services and computer games. This is all about real-time operating system. The types of real-time operating system, that is hard real-time operating system and a soft real-time operating system. Thank you.